Yeah. 40 minutes on it. Try this at 15 yards. See how I do. The damn target. Maybe once. Ruger SP-101. First run. 38 specials. I don't have any 357s with me today. PX4 Storm. Beretta. 45 auto. Time to reload again. Happy joy. Not too bad. Initial impressions on that one are decent. I'm all over the target though. Mainly because it's my first real run out here with it. Shot it a couple of times but nothing major. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. Trying. Got other people out here shooting. Today. Girl that's with me, she wanted me to take her out and show her how to shoot, so we're out here. Bought a bunch of ammo and we came out to go shooting. She's having fun. That's all that matters. Time to open the other box.
In the movies you go like this, in the reeds you go up like that. Always keep
Yeah, sorry about that. Didn't mean to leave you guys. I'll post these videos, start posting them today, maybe. I need to probably edit a few of them and whatnot. But, we'll see. It's a beautiful day here where I'm at. About 80 right now, I'd say. I don't have a thermostat with me to tell you, but hope you guys enjoy these videos. It's been a while since I've been out shooting. I need to get out and do it again. Make sure I send my Beretta videos to my buddy 155mm. Give him a little shout out. If you haven't seen his channel, go check it out. Pretty cool guy. He's a real good shooter also. He's got a Beretta 98B 338 Lapua Magnum that he's got now. The Night Force NXS scope on it. So yeah, he's really wanted to do his challenge today, but I ran out of time. Shoot the quarter. Couldn't do it today. Maybe next time. We'll see. We will. I did. I'll show the targets when I get done. When I get back home. What gun was used and the yardage and everything, the bullet weight. So I think that's it. All right, we're reloading. It's the last 15 shots.
Me?
Yep. Saved them for you.
Right?
Thank you. She's camera over this way. Do it. Do it. Oh, gotta look pretty.
Oh, I don't want it in my face.
Gotta look pretty. Typical woman.
I don't want it.
I'm killing the hell out of the bottom of the target.
Yeah, you did.
Killing the hell out of the bottom of the target, man. Look at that. Oops, focus. I'm not used to the trigger yet.